In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with FreshBooks in 2025 with a step-by-step tutorial. FreshBooks is an excellent cloud-based accounting software tool tailored for small business owners. It simplifies billing, time tracking, and expense management. So, if you're ready to streamline your business finances efficiently, let's dive right in. First, you need to navigate to the FreshBooks website. From there, you can start by clicking on the Try It for Free button. This will prompt you to either create an account using your email and password or use your Google or Apple credentials for a quick sign-up process. Once your account is created, you'll be asked to enter basic business information like your company name, industry, and the methods you use to bill customers. After completing this step, don't forget to check your email for a verification code from FreshBooks to finalize the account setup. Once your account is set up, it's time to add clients and projects. Start by navigating to the clients section where you can add new clients manually. Input important information about each client to keep your records organized. Next, jump over to the projects section. Here, you're able to create time tracking projects. Choose a client to associate the project with and decide whether it is billed at a flat rate or hourly. If your business includes a team, you have the option to invite team members to collaborate on projects by entering their email addresses and assigning them roles suited to their responsibilities. Now that you've set up your account, added clients, and created projects, the next step is to create and send invoices. From the dashboard, click the Create New button and select Invoice, or go directly to the Invoices section and click New Invoice. This feature allows you to customize your invoice with your logo, select the client, and set both the issue and due dates. Add line items that detail the services or products you're billing for, including their rates and quantities. FreshBooks lets you add customized branding, taxes, and even deposit requests to your invoice. After personalizing your invoice, you can choose to send it directly to your client via email or save it for later. For clients requiring ongoing services, you can also set up automatic payment reminders and recurring invoices, so you never miss a beat. After dealing with invoices, tracking expenses and time becomes crucial. Log your expenses by selecting Expense under the Create New button, where you will enter details such as the vendor, category, and expense amount. If your projects require time tracking, you can manage this directly within the project interface or by navigating to the time tracking section in Settings. Lastly, FreshBooks has a range of additional features to further empower your business activities. Integrate FreshBooks with other applications from their App Store for a seamless workflow. You can set up online payments via integrations with platforms like Stripe or PayPal, enabling clients to pay through credit cards, which simplifies payment collection. Also, take the opportunity to access past webinars or register for future ones to deepen your understanding of FreshBooks functionalities. That wraps up our detailed walkthrough of FreshBooks. Now you're all set to utilize FreshBooks to its fullest potential and manage your business finances with ease. Happy accounting!